YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Trap Extra coming at y'all with another video, man. In today's video, what we got right there is a Corvette C7. I ain't gonna lie, I've been trying to get the runs this whole time while I was off camera, but I guess he don't want to run it, bro. It's an old man. You know how old men and they don't like to run their cars. But should I do a flyby by him? I think I am. He don't want to run it, bro. I wanted to run with him so bad, but he just don't. He don't want to run it, bro. Like, he don't, for some reason, bro. Like, I know Corvettes is faster than this car, though. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this car is not faster than a Corvette, obviously. If y'all don't know what this car is, this is an SRT 392. Obviously, it's not faster than the Corvette, but I just want to run it, bro. If y'all don't know, a Corvette C7, like, that's what's back there. That is my dream car. I'm not gonna lie. So, yeah. So that's why I just decided to pick up the camera and record my video in my current car versus my dream car, because that is my dream car. So I definitely want to look back on this video in about a year or two and be like, wow, bro, I literally was racing my dream car. Now I got my dream car. But obviously I'm not racing him because he don't want to run it. I mean, he been trailing me this whole ride here, bro. I'm like 30 minutes in and he's been behind me this whole time. So I'm guessing we going to the same place probably. But I just had to give y'all a little POV real quick, you know what I'm saying? Some slight shit. Cause I mean, I didn't even decide to pick up, I wasn't even gonna pick up the camera today, but you know, it's just like, why not, bro? You know, so with that being said, man, I'm just gonna give y'all a quick little POV. I'm probably not gonna talk too much. If the Corvette get next to me and he wanna run it, I'll run it. But with that being said, man, it's your boy Trap Extra, and I'm finna run this POV. You know what I'm saying? Yo, if y'all don't know, if y'all haven't watched my previous videos, this car is fully straight pipe. You know what I'm saying? I got a diffuser on the back, and I tinted out my front headlights. You know, I post most of my videos on TikTok. If y'all not following me on TikTok, go ahead. It's SRT Trap. You'll see me on TikTok. I'm not gonna lie, I think that's the police right there, so I'm gonna definitely lower my camera down a little bit just until I pass them. Oh no, it's not them. You know, so oh shit, yo. Bro, I don't like this road, bro. There's mad cars over here. I don't know if it's the police or not. Yo, the Mustang is right there again, as y'all can see. Blood does not want to run it for some reason. Blood is very pussy. Corvette, this is not a good look for y'all. I mean, I know y'all gonna be like, oh my God, Hellcat owners, all they want to do is do burnouts and donuts and oh my God. Bro, okay, we get it, you have a Corvette, bro. We get it, you're trying to save your miles, bro. But at least run your car, bro. Why buy a sports car if you're not going to run it, bro? There's no point. It's literally pointless. But yeah, bro. I am currently on the way to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. If y'all in Myrtle Beach in South Carolina and y'all see me, say yo. You know what I'm saying? I won't bite your hand, bro. I am a normal human being, my nigga. Yo, I wonder if I should upload this video on the same day I'm filming it, or should I just wait? I don't know. Let me give y'all some pussy. Bro, I love this car, bro. Yo, bro, this car is mad fun, bro. I don't know, bro. But low-key, yo, chat, I'm thinking about selling this car, bro, because I got embarrassed the other day. I'm not gonna lie. I was on the highway racing a BMW. Well, not racing. We was obviously in Mexico, by the way. Just saying. But yeah, we was running it, and I'm not gonna lie, that shit burnt me. Like, no cap. That shit is fast as fuck. Like, I can't lie, bro. Whatever y'all be doing to them BMWs, bro, let me know. I gotta know what's in them fucking cars, bro. Them shits are too fucking fast, bro. Like, a BMW should never be that fast, bro. I don't even think it was an M. I don't even think it was an M. I think it was just a regular BMW, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Let me check my tire pressure real quick. Oh no, we good. We good. The worst thing you could possibly do is get a flat tire on a road trip, bro. That has to be the worst feeling ever. I remember this one time, bro. I think I was going to pick up some shoes, bro, in my Audi. If y'all don't know, I didn't have this channel when I had an Audi, but I had an Audi. Oh shit, that's the police. Who the fuck is, oh, that's not the police. That's a fucking hearse. Yo, RIP to whoever is in there, bro. I'm not gonna lie. RIP, man. As y'all boys can see, it is a hearse right here. Not gonna lie. I thought it was the police at first. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? RIP to whoever in there though, man. Rest in peace. Yo, but listen, like I was saying, I was on the way to pick up some shoes one time in my Audi. I don't know if y'all remember. Y'all probably won't know, but I used to have an Audi A4. It was a 2005 Audi A4. I had that. I was going to get some shoes, bro. And I was like racing a Mercedes on the highway. And bro, I was burning it. I'm not gonna lie. And then I like felt something wobbling. The steering wheel was like this. Bro, my back tire was flat on the highway, bro. In front of everybody, bro. That had to be the most embarrassing shit of my life, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But, you know, tough times don't last forever. Type shit. You feel me? Yeah. Yo, so chat, let me tell y'all boys something. So I was looking into not a Corvette. I was looking into this McLaren, you know, because I like to set high goals for myself. I don't know if y'all the same, but with me, bro, I like to set high goals for myself. So I was looking on Facebook Marketing and I seen this McLaren. It's a 570S, a 2017 570S McLaren. And the price for it, he wants $105,000, which isn't too bad, bro. That's a steal for a McLaren. But let me tell y'all boys what's wrong with it. So listen up. He said in a description of it, it said front end damage. He obviously fixed it. I mean, I'm looking at the car. It has no problems on it, no front end damage. He says front end damage. He fixed it, but it also has a salvage title, which is very bad, bro. And I'm not gonna lie, the only thing that's stopping me from getting that is just the fact that you don't want to buy a McLaren that already been through kind of problems, because I know about McLarens a little bit, and I know that they come off the factory with problems, bro. What the fuck? Yo, people are so dumb, bro. Like, what are you doing, lady? Like, bro, I hope that was on camera, bro. That bitch almost hit me, bro. Like, what are you doing? Learn how to fucking drive, nigga. Because if y'all hit me and them motherfucker, I'm going Hellcat. Oh, God. So don't hit a nigga. You feel me? But, yeah. About the McLaren. That's kind of where I want to be. If I can't get the McLaren by next year, I'm probably just going to sell this and get a Corvette C7 Z06. I want a Z06. But if you know, you never know where you could be at in a year. So I don't like to limit myself to what I know I can get, bro. Cause who knows? In the next year, bro, I could be a fucking millionaire, bro. Like, life changes so quick when you actually grind it. So I don't like to limit myself. So I wanna plan to get I wanna set an extra bar to get a McLaren. If I can't reach that goal, then, you know, I'll settle for the Corvette C06. You know, Z06 C7 is like my dream car, and McLaren 570S is like my dream car, like what I dreamed of as a kid. You know what I'm saying? And SRT 392 is just some shit that I wanted because I liked how fast it was, and I like how they sound, and I like the way Chargers looks. Low key, if I got rid of this and I got a McLaren or a Corvette, I would still go buy another Charger or a Challenger, bro. Like a Hellcat, obviously. I would get one of these, bro. Just because the fact that, like, bro, it's a Hellcat. It's a Charger, a Challenger, bro. Like, this is like, I'm black, bro. As y'all can see, I am black. Say your little racist comments. Say your little racist jokes, whatever you want to say, bro. Us black folks, we love Mopar. I ain't gonna lie, twin. You know what I'm saying? So, like, you know, I would have to, bro. Like, I would just, and that fucking Corvette, that nigga is all the way back there, bro. Like, that nigga's not even close to me no more. But, yeah. Us black folks, we love our Mopars, bro. It is what it is, bro. We love our Mopars. So yeah, I would definitely have to get me another Mopar, bro. A Charger, Challenger, whatever it is, bro. Plus the McLaren, you know. Those my two lineups. Okay, so if I get a McLaren 570S, this is gonna be my lineup. This is my dream lineup right here. McLaren 570S or 720S. I think it's a 720S or 720, one of them. McLaren, I'm gonna just say McLaren in general. McLaren, Hellcat, Charger or Challenger, it don't matter. No, if I get a McLaren, I don't want two two-seaters. So I would get a McLaren, a Charger Hellcat, And then I would go with, for my SUV, because I need a truck, bro, I would go with, what would I say? I'll probably go Lamborghini Urus. Because, like, I want a Trackhawk, but there's no point to have a Hellcat and a Trackhawk. I'm not gonna lie. So I would go Lamborghini Urus. And for my, like, big diesel pickup truck, I would have to go TRX. TRX. That's my 4 lineup. That's my dream car lineup right there. McLaren, Charger, Hellcat, Lamborghini Urus, and a TRX. That's all I need, bro. That's the only 4 cars I want, bro. That's it. That's my lineup right there. Feel me? I think that's the police. Oh, no, it's not. It's a pickup truck. Oh, my God. This shit's pulling, bro. Fuck, bro. Let me slow down now. I ain't gonna lie. I'm tripping. Yo, but... Oh, it's a Hellcat right there. There was a Hellcat over there. I ain't gonna lie. That shit was hard. But yeah, man, that's probably gonna close out today's video. I'm not gonna lie, since the Corvette is gone, there's really nothing else for me to film. But with that being said, man, it's been your boy Trap Extra, R-Trap, Ray, R-Trap, SRT Trap, man. You know what I'm saying? And with that being said, man, that's gonna conclude today's video. I love y'all boys. Y'all boys be safe, and I'm out, bro.